My dear students, good morning. Children, we are discussing lesson number 15, Disaster and Rescue. Children, in our previous session, we have discussed about accidents. Now, in today's session, we will discuss project and discussion based talk about surroundings, page number 114. So come on page number 114. Now here we are supposed to write details about the problems given. Here even we can add some more problems, and then we are supposed to identify that whether it is a disaster or accidents, and then we are supposed to write about what were the problems because of it and what can be done as a safety measure. So come on the first detail, that is collision with a vehicle. Now children, you have already learned that disasters are natural ones. So collision with a vehicle is a man-made problem. So it is the accident. Now what were the problems? What can happen because of this? So because of accident, the person's body part may get scratched if the accident is minor, and if the accident is major, then the victims or the injured person's body, shoulders may, the bones may get fractured, or it may be possible that the victim may lose its body part. So what we should do? So if the accident is major, then we should go to the hospital. If it is the minor one, if it can be treated at home, then at home only we should give the first aid. That is, we should apply some cream like sofromycin, and even we can use the bandage. But if it is the major one, then we should take the help of doctor. Now come to the next point, that is the spread of epidemic. So children, you must be aware about the COVID-19 disease. So it is the epidemic or the pandemic. Even there are other different types of epidemics also, like cholera, plague, etc. Now epidemic, it is the disease which is means epidemic is the one in which the more number of people, it is the disease in which more number of people suffer at a time. So what we should do means, what were the problems? So because of the epidemic, the people will get infected by the disease. So what we should do? What can be safety measures? So children, you are knowing very well that we should keep our hands clean, we should eat healthy food, we should maintain social distance, we should wear mask, etc. Even if the epidemic is because of the polluted water, then we should drink clean water, boiled water, and we should take the help of the doctor. Now come to the next point, that is the getting electric shock. Children, this is the accident because it is not the natural one. Now what were the problems? So it may be possible that the hand or the leg or our any body part it got shocked. So as a safety measure, we can remove the shocked body part from that thing, or even we can switch off the main switch or electric points. Children, we should never touch electric switch or electric plug with the wet hands. Now come to the next point, that is fire is break out. It is also the accident one. Here the house and its belongings, it got burnt. Even it may possible that the person, if it is inside, if it gets trapped under the fire, then it may also he or she may also got suffered a lot. It made its body part made damaged, or sometimes there may be the loss of human life. So what we should do for the safety measures, if the fire is major, then we should call fire engine. Even if it is available and possible, then we should use fire extinguisher. We should follow the safety rules, and we should hail fire at the time of such accident, so that the person, those who are nearby us, they will become more attentive, and they can also come to help us. Children, generally we are using water to extinguish fire, but if the fire is because of electricity or petrol, then we should not use fire. Now we should not use water. Children, if we follow proper guidelines and we are attentive and calm, then we can save ourselves from such problems. Now come to the next one, that is we will discuss the next about the flood. So it is the disaster because it is the natural one. Now what were the problems? So during the flood there will be water everywhere, and there may be loss of man's, animals' life and property. Now during such problem, what can be done? So sometimes we are getting army's help, our government's help we are getting, and sometimes the non-government organizations, that is the NGOs, also helping during such problems. So we should take their help, and we should be very careful and calm. We should follow the guidelines given by the government. Then if we follow the rules, and if we are indisciplined and attentive, then we can save our life and we can go through such problems. Okay children, for this session this much only. In our next session we will discuss such types of few more problems. Okay, thank you.